This is Moda Vinile, a wood-look SPC, stone plastic composite, vinyl tile collection that is super hard-wearing, yet sensationally soft underfoot. Available in 10 striking and versatile, smooth matte colors, which each mimic real wood grain. This on-trend interior flooring collection comes with a host of benefits, not least of which is its click-lock plank design, a far cry from the sheet vinyl of yesteryear, making it easy to install and maintain. Thanks to its multiple layers and fixed underlay, Moda Vinile is resistant to moisture, scratches, dents, fire, spills, stains, even termites. It handles foot traffic with ease, is slip-resistant and also safe to use with underfloor heating. Quite at home in the kitchen, bathroom, living room or office, Moda Vinile offers the good looks of hardwood without the high price tag, and if installed and maintained correctly, it will last for years. Moda Vinile is the family-friendly luxe vinyl floor tile you've been looking for.